Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here. The news of the day in crypto has been all around XRP and Bitcoin and President Trump. That's all has been talked about in crypto right now, but let's dive in to see what is going on here. So taking a look here at President Trump, getting a better idea of what his plans are for crypto. This is huge. So the reason why this is huge is because we've never had a pro-crypto government, or we've never had a pro-crypto presidency really embracing this new technology. This is the first time ever that we've made our money in the bull run, the last bull run, and that was with everyone calling Bitcoin a scam or people still being skeptical, right? This is something we've never seen before, and I think we should expect results and gains that we've never seen before. Just aligning with what is being presented and really the action that's being taken. So taking a look here, Donald Trump plans on making crypto a policy through an executive order. Sources told Bloomberg this week. They're saying this order could direct government agencies to suspend litigation against crypto. A national Bitcoin stockpile is also under discussion. Huge. So Donald Trump is set to sign an executive order making crypto policy priority as soon as day one, as his presidency, sources told. If that happens, guys, if that happens, it's just a matter of when. I don't think it's a matter of if at this point. It's just a matter of when. That is FOMO that will cause retail to get in to the markets very fast. And we see skyrocketing price of altcoins. Altcoin season's here, right? And I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, and he was talking about, oh, I just bought some XRP. And I'm like, this is not when you buy XRP. You should have bought XRP back when people were saying it wasn't going anywhere, it was dead, right? Hindsight's 2020. You'll still make money, right? Of course, you'll still make money. I know people feel like, I just bought XRP last week. I'm like, yes, you'll still make gains, more than likely, right? But the potential, the upside potential is a little bit more limited. And of course, it's, of course, XRP could go to $9. Like, of course, I get it. Right? You get in at 2, goes to 9. Yeah, I get it. All right. You get a 4 or 5x. Fine. I get it. But I definitely think that there is huge opportunity in how we've been telling you guys when to accumulate. Like a couple days ago, when it was blood on the streets, we had that flash crash. That was the time to accumulate, guys. Now I have a hard time. Like, I have a hard time accumulating altcoins, any more altcoins after accumulating all of 2024 at record low prices. This is hard for me, right? Still dollar cost average. We still buy Bitcoin every day, right? Yes, but I just think it's kind of hard for me to stomach something like that. But definitely think that the opportunities there, retail is going to flood the market, and they're going to be the ones to get in at these prices that are pretty high. And ultimately, they're going to have these targets that won't get hit, and we're going to sell to them. That's how it works, right? That's how it works. But I think this bull run is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be different, and we're ready for it, guys. So taking a look here at another article here with Trump, we talk about how he's pretty much set to designate cryptocurrency as a national priority. And, what that means for crypto, I think, is not really being priced in, right? What that means for crypto really is that, he's saying even here, he begins his second term Monday, plans to issue an executive order making crypto a national priority. What that means is, I don't think there's just going to be a Bitcoin stockpile. I think Bitcoin's what they have, they're going to, hold. But then I think other cryptocurrencies are going to come into play, pretty much positioning America to lead the way in crypto, right? So that's kind of how I envision it. We'll see. That's how I envision it. But as we look at the markets, right, we look at where Bitcoin's at, right? The head and shoulders ended up being a triple bottom. It did. It ended up being a triple bottom. I did not think it was a triple bottom. I'll say that. I don't mind being wrong. I was wrong. But I said if we broke this level and we stayed below 91.5, that was not a triple bottom. But you see the candle didn't close beneath. It spiked, and we're going to make new highs. Okay. If then scenarios always protects you. I don't jump out there all the time, but if then scenarios always protect you because if this happens, then this, if this happens, then that, and you're able to react and respond to the markets. So we see here that we made a new high. This level was broken, so we can remove this. This level was broken here. So next stop is to clear the all-time high as it stands at this point. Could there be a pullback between now and Monday? Sure, there absolutely could be. So don't take that off the table. I love what I'm seeing here with Bitcoin. I think this is just a really cool time to be in crypto, right? I think this is a really unique time. Like, this is something that I've never experienced before. I've been in 3 bull runs, or no, this is the 3rd bull run. Sorry. This will be the 3rd bull run I've been a part of. And this is something that I've never seen before. I've never seen so much embrace within the crypto space. This is exciting. This is being able to align yourself with technology, right, that isn't going anywhere, right, and seeing governments and countries embrace this technology as well, and big companies. It's exciting, and I'm just honored to be a part of it, right? So one thing I want to talk about that really isn't being talked about here is Ethereum. So we take a look at Ethereum, right? Ethereum has finally scheduled an upgrade, right? So everyone's been wondering what's happening with Ethereum. Ethereum's currently sitting at about $3,314 right now, and it really hasn't been talked about at all, and it's really been considered as underperforming. But it's not, if you look at the top 10, like, it's not the only project that hasn't hit near its all-time high yet. Like, Cardano's $2 away from its all-time high. I mean, it's like, come on, right? I think Ethereum is going to perform very well. But here, Ethereum developers finally schedule Petra upgrade, and it's a hard fork Ethereum encompassing an array of wallet staking and efficiency improvements. So you still need that 32 ETH to stake, but here they're increasing the maximum amount of validators can stake from 32 to 2,048 ETH. The change addresses a massive nuance faced by the validators who stake ETH to keep the chain running today. Those who want to invest more than 32 ETH with the network must split their stake between dozens or sometimes hundreds of separate nodes. This isn't just burdensome. It resulted in weeks-long lines for setting up new nodes. So just changing a little bit, but I definitely think that Ethereum's going to outperform a lot of people's expectation. And to be honest with you, when crypto is talked about negatively, we've just seen this with XRP. When people start saying, "Oh, this is dead. Oh, what is it doing?" that catches my attention. We just seen this with XRP, right? We take a look at XRP's price. We take a look at XRP's price, okay? And we go to a higher time frame. We just scroll down before this crazy boom pump. We see XRP was down here 30 cents. About 30 cents. It was down here, and it's not doing anything. It's dead. This is the zone, right? And I'll actually highlight the zone where people were saying sell your bags. People actually sold their bags. I know people sold their bags. I've heard stories of it. I've heard people selling their bags and putting it in a Memecoin and then losing all their money, like crazy stuff. And this is the zone where everyone, the notion was, not for us, because we held our bag. Like, I'm like, look, what's the worst that could happen, right? It's the worst that could happen. The risk to reward was just too crazy, right? If XRP does what it says it's going to do, they already beat the SEC, and the price didn't reflect that, right? Price pretty much stayed the same, right? It didn't have a crazy pump. I think it pumped up to maybe like 90 cents. Here we go. I think it pumped up to 90 cents, pulled back, and stayed in range the whole time. Been in range about 40 cents, 30, 40 cents the whole time. Price didn't really impact that much. But this is the zone where everyone was pretty much saying, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead. Everyone heard XRP's dead. right? Most people were saying XRP, get rid of your bags. It's dead coin, not going anywhere, whatever. This is even after the SEC lawsuit was won. Like, they won against the SEC. And with that, then we see an explosion. So the same thing I'm thinking about with Ethereum. Everyone's pretty much talking crap on Ethereum. Ethereum is the largest chain being built on. Okay. Second largest coin market cap. And for some reason, people say, oh, Ethereum's not performing well. Come on, guys. Bitcoin goes to 180,000. Ethereum, I don't see a scenario during alt season when alts really start pushing. I don't see why Ethereum couldn't get to 10 to 15,000. Like, I've been saying 12,000 the whole time. So that's what I see here with Ethereum. I just think, remember what happened with XRP. That wasn't too long ago. It was only a couple weeks ago. We just went through this with XRP. XRP was just said, they were just saying it was dead 2 months ago, a month or two ago. Not even. They were just saying it was dead, and it exploded. The same thing they're saying with Ethereum. Okay. They said the same thing about Cardano, right? So as soon as people start talking to me about something being dead, or I'm getting rid of Ethereum, listen, I am taking heed. Yes, there are some things that are going to die, and yes, but I'm taking heed if it's a top project for a reason. Okay. Top project for a reason. So that's my 2 cents about Ethereum. Yes, I'm a holder. No, I'm not selling my Ethereum. I think it's going to do well. Pretty sure it's going to do well. And typically we've seen, as soon as people start saying something's dead, it rises from the ashes. So definitely something to look at. This cool article I saw, ask ChatGPT if Shiba can become a top 10 cryptocurrency this year. ChatGPT said Shiba require community support, significant ecosystem developments, favorable market conditions to achieve this status. So I haven't heard about Shiba in a while, but Shiba maintains its position from a coin market cap standpoint in the top 20. Okay, it's 15 right now, right? It's maintaining that stance. Right? It's hanging around, even though it's cheap. It's super cheap. I definitely think that Shiba has not been talked about enough. The main topics right now, like I said, has been XRP and Bitcoin right now, right? And XRP is going to continue to deliver and continue to grow and develop and really just allow people an opportunity to be a part of the shift in this ecosystem, right? Like, everything that we're seeing is really just the beginning, in my opinion, because we see what's going on, and we see that the United States is putting an America First strategic crypto reserve. XRP is right in the running for that. So here we see Solana XRP jump as Trump reportedly talks about America First strategic crypto reserve, but experts suggest otherwise. And the two crypto market observers raised concern over to CoinDesk over the idea of expanding a potential national strategic reserve to altcoins. Here he's saying Solana, XRP, and HBAR surged Thursday after this report, and pretty much people are saying this initiative is a bad idea and the government shouldn't make venture capital style investments in altcoins. He's saying nationalizing digital assets could weaken efforts of blockchain decentralization, and pretty much saying that when the big money comes in, they can pretty much control the markets, right? When they can control the markets, that's pretty much when you pretty much change it. You almost make crypto into like the S&P 500. Almost. Here he's saying a strategic Bitcoin reserve has been a large part of crypto discussions ahead of the inauguration, but does the incoming president have other tokens in mind? Here he's saying here that Trump was receptive to the idea of creating an America First strategic reserve, including Solana, XRP, and USDC stablecoins. Solana jumped 8%. XRP continued and hit 335, just shy of its 2018 record price. HBAR rallied up 10%. We see all these gains, right? FOMO start coming and people start saying, oh, and then here we're getting this opposite side of the, you know, pretty much saying, people saying that it's ridiculous idea will never happen. It's not the government's place to make venture capital bets on altcoins. This rumor of a strategic reserve other than non-BTC coins is an example of where people are taking what otherwise is a bad idea of running with it as fact. So there's people that don't like that, right? They don't like, and I think, you know, we look at it. I think personally, we're in crypto, right? And we're not supposed to be in crypto. Think about that. Think about in the early 90s when Apple started, or Amazon, or Microsoft, whenever Microsoft started, right? Think about back then. You had to know someone to invest early. And you're having opportunity here now to invest early in technology that otherwise you wouldn't have access to. Like, they don't want you to have access to this because you get out of the matrix. Like, you get out of the matrix, you're able to get out of the rat race, essentially, and live your own life. If you don't have, you're not investing in this new technology, right? Essentially, they want you to stay where you are. They don't want you to have, your own autonomy. They don't want you to, make your own choice on where you want to spend your money, how much you can send. You really think they want you? And I say they, and I'm talking about like the elites, right? I'm talking about the people like this who are pretty much saying, oh, anything outside of Bitcoin is a bad investment. They're the same people that are saying Bitcoin's a bad investment 10 years ago, right? So they don't want you out of the rat race. They want you right where you are. They want you to stay where you are, and they want you to be happy where you are. Don't try to do more, right? And the opportunity right here to invest in this technology before anyone else. When I say anyone else, I mean less than 7% is in crypto right now, right? Less than 7% in the whole world is invested in this space right now. You think they really want you to be early to something and change your life? No. So when I hear things like this and I see things like with high probability setups, right? High probability projects like Ethereum, right? Why wouldn't you want a reserve in Ethereum? Like, why not? Ethereum is not going anywhere. I think it's been proven, right? It's been number 2 for forever. But they don't want the country. They think it's ridiculous. But they also, these people are telling people, oh, if you invest in crypto, just make sure you go through us, right? And we'll fee you to death. You pay us fees, but we'll take care of it for you. They want you in the system. You don't have to be in the system anymore. You can become the system. You can have your own bank. You can have your own financial sovereignty. It's happening. And you can change your life forever because this technology is here. It's here to stay. And you have an opportunity to be earlier than most, with less than 7% people invested in crypto right now in the world. So guys, just wanted to highlight this. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.